Welcome to another Lunar Faire vlog, Pride Edition. Another Lunar Faire vlog. It's gonna keep happening. I'm gonna keep going. I'm gonna keep seeing y'all. It's gonna be amazing. It's gonna be a great summer. This one is close to me. It's only an hour away. I was very surprised. And it's the Pride Edition, which I've heard really good things about, like the decorations and the activities and stuff at this one. So I have high hopes, and I'm excited. My friend Kat, who you guys know from like my mini gem show vlog, is actually helping me, which is amazing because she has never gone to Lunar Faire before, and our schedules usually don't line up like this, but they just happen to align cosmically, and she gets to go with me. So you'll be seeing her, you'll be seeing my mom, and I'm gonna go finish prepping. I've got a little bit more work I gotta do, and then we'll go to Lunar Faire. The plan is to move this bin, that bin, and these two into this bin, and also have more room to make a couple more for this weekend. So wish me luck. I may be working hard, but Cardin's literally doing the most. Aren't you? You're doing the most? Yeah. I finished. This one is going to Lunar Faire in Albany Twilight, and this tiny one is going to a big gay market. And I gotta make some more wax melts because I'm really low on things like funeral parlor, which I literally only have one of, and Freya, which I only have one of, and haunted library I'm down to 2. So I gotta restock some of these before Albany Twilight and Lunar Faire. But I think I'm pretty good for a big gay market. A big gay market is much smaller, so I think this will be enough, but I still might add a couple of Carly's in because I carry her brand as well, so. I just got all the emails for the load-in information for both Lunar Faire and Albany Twilight, so I'm all set. I've found some of my pride flags, as you can see. I can't find, I have like a pride flag banner thing. I can't find that anywhere. I really want to find that because I want to use that for Lunar Faire, pull out all the stops for like decorating, because like Lunar Faire, I can do that and not be like overdressed, if that makes sense. So gotta find that. Gonna make a ton of candles today, and I'll put in some of that footage, and yeah, I'm freaking out about this weekend. I think this vlog is going to be just the Lunar Faire vlog, and then I'm going to make a separate vlog for a big gay market and Albany Twilight. So just so you guys know what's coming at you. Today's the day. Happy Friday the 13th. It's Lunar Faire, it's Pride. Got the car all packed. I'm gonna go pick up my helpers and head to Lunar Faire. Let's freaking go, guys. We are all set up here at Lunar Faire. cute.
Oh, we love to see it. Oh, there's another Potion Lab down here.
Yep.
And Lunar Faire. They have their own merch?
Yep.
That is a decent little line looking to get in. I fucking love the dress with the tar.
Oh, that's so cool.
They're making another Return of the Living Dead. I'm excited. Underrated zombie movie, honestly.
We just had to pull things because it is raining into my tent. So, should be okay though.
Oh, it's only gonna last like maybe an hour, not even. It's just passing over. It says ski gonna be out of here by 6. We're having a grand old time.
It's raining. We had to move. Well, let me like hold that like that. We had to move this into the booth because the rain was coming in horizontal.
I'm just watching my kill counts to survive. That's all I'm doing.
Yep. So we're now waiting until it stops raining a little bit so we can put our stuff back out. We still have some stuff out,
Not as much.
but we had to like cover, like all the stickers are vinyl stickers, but if they get wet and then stuck together, it's gonna be a problem. So
People
I
are
had
gonna
to
try
put
to
those
pull them
away.
apart and they're gonna get ruined.
Yeah, so it's only supposed to rain for another like half hour. So fingers crossed that this rain passes and then we have a great Lunar Faire after.
Here's hoping.
But it's always something. Also, I've been actively having an allergic reaction all morning, so
Can confirm, she's been like this all day.
pardon my redness.
You look
It's
better
bad.
than you did this morning. You're way worse this morning.
Yeah, it's Friday the 13th.
And for the Friday the 13th movie fans, it's Jason's birthday, like actually, canonically.
June 13th.
June 13th, 1946.
He's a
according to the
Gemini.
movies. He is a Gemini.
He's a
It
Gemini.
It
That
explains
makes
a lot.
sense.
It explains a lot.
Pride flag.
Yay.
Yay. Alright guys, we'll check back in later.
Did you get like a bracelet?
Yeah, it says you are so loved.
Mine says hope.
So cute. What's it say?
Trans rights.
Hell yeah. We are exploring. It's not a selfie.
I
it's a video.
already explored once, already bought some stuff because of course I did, but I'm willing to go again.
Yep, we're exploring. Let's go.
Let's have fun.
Hey y'all, thanks for watching the Lunar Faire vlog. Lunar Faire was great. Lunar Faire Pride was a lot of fun. Aside from me having a massive allergy attack on the way to Lunar Faire and almost having to pull out early, and the rainstorm that started at the beginning, we did pretty well. We hit our average Lunar Faire number that we've been hitting consistently for the first couple events. Not the first one, not the season opener. Season opener, we did fantastic. But everything else we've been making about the same number, which isn't great, but it's not terrible either. It's like pretty mid. So honestly, for the vibe that Lunar Faire brings and how much fun it is and all the great people, it's worth it for me. So I can't complain. I'm glad that I did this one. I'm gonna be doing the Goth Prom one on the 27th, and I might decorate my booth differently, but I'm not sure. I'm still putting up the flowers and stuff that I was putting up for like Beltane and like the spring equinox and everything. But I haven't stopped doing that. And honestly, it makes the booth look nice though, so I might just keep doing it. Or maybe I'll get something spookier for Goth Prom. I don't know yet. I haven't decided yet, but I'll see you guys there. And here's the graph. Thank you so much for hanging out. And next week's vlog will be the Big Gay Market and Albany Twilight vlog. So I'll see you then. Bye.